to another Mel Rose Mixers video, and today we're going to be making my preferred martini. Alright, first things first, the first thing that you'll need to do is 2 dashes of your orange bitters. I'm using Fees Brothers today. Straight into my mixing glass. And then I'll be doing 30 mils or 1 ounce of Dolin Dry vermouth. I always recommend people to keep their vermouth in the fridge as well, so it keeps it not only chilled but it also has a longer life period as well. It is a fortified wine, so it can go off quite easily. 60 mils or 2 ounces of your preferred gin. I'm using Dolin Dry Tanqueray today. I really like the juniper forward notes in this gin and the citrus elements to it. You get a lot of bright lemon and lime flavours to it. Now we'll need our ice. So I'm going to be using some tempered big blocks of ice, and I'm going to be using some chipped as well. So first, I'm going to chip my ice. Alright, it does make a bit of a mess, don't be afraid of it. Yep, that'll be enough. So basically to the brim of your glass, you want to fill your ice to. And you want your martini or coupe or whatever the hell glass you have nice and chilled as well, preferably straight out of the freezer. I'm going to give this a stir for about 30 seconds. Give a bit of a taste test first. So you can also check lifting the ice up a bit, but I'll give it a little tasty on the back of my hand. A few more seconds. Alright, so now I'm going to be straining this straight into my martini glass. And now you want to garnish your martini. I'm just going to be doing a little orange twist wheel. So just spraying a few of those oils on top. You can use a lemon twist if you like, or a lime twist, depending on the gin you've used and the vermouth. Or you could do like a olive on a pick. Alright, cheers guys. This is my preferred martini. Let's give it a taste. Beautiful aroma of the orange oils. It's nice and stiff, but it's got a really nice mouthfeel to it. Get this juniper straight away from the Dolin Dry Gin and the herbaceous notes of the Dolin vermouth. Okay, well thanks for tuning in guys. I'll see you in the next Mel Rose Mixers video. As always, everything that I've used to make this drink today will be in the description below. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell button to never miss an episode of Mel Rose Mixers. Alright, thanks guys.